What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I got the official Samsung vegan leather case for the Galaxy S24, just a vanilla one. But pretty much I'm assuming that the quality here with the vanilla one is going to be the same with the Plus and with the Ultra. I also do have the anti-reflective screen protector. I'm going to install that off camera. And if you guys want to hear about the thoughts, I think it's probably just good. It doesn't really look like a glass screen protector, and I'm actually all for a tempered glass, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's take a look at this vegan leather case and just talk about the Galaxy S24 and my thoughts about it. So I probably should have, you know what? I'm not even gonna use this box. Just open it right away. There we go. And the box is gonna go right in the garbage. So here we are greeted with the vegan leather case. Now what I like about some of the other cases are they are MagSafe compatible. These are not. So, I mean, I guess that's okay. But, ooh, it feels really smooth. The inside feels really smooth too. It has individual camera cutouts, which I do appreciate. Some cases don't have that, and here's the thing, like when some cases don't have that and you use it, dust builds around, the molecules build around the cameras, so it's just nice to have individual camera cutouts, and I do appreciate that. But overall, it looks really good now. It says made China inside. We're gonna feel how well these buttons are and how clicky they are. Precise cutouts for the USB-C and for the speaker grill. But let's go ahead and pop it right on and see how it's pretty easy to pop on, actually. And there you go. You can see the frame around the phone itself. I don't know how I feel about that, though. I really don't know how I feel about that. And I have the marble gray. When you look at the back, you can't really tell it's marble gray other maybe than the frame, the lens, the ends, the sides of the lens, camera lens, as well as around the flash right there. And maybe that's the front of the display right here. But I actually love the size of this phone, the form factor of this phone. There it is. Buttons. Very clicky. That's a plus. Good job, Samsung. It's a plus. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. If you want like a premium looking case, I think this is it. But I don't think this would be like the most protective case. If you want to get a more protective case, you definitely want to go a little bit more bulky. It doesn't add too much bulk itself. It doesn't make the phone feel any thicker. I would honestly rock it if I didn't have any other case options, and I do have other case options. I just want to have even a more premium look and feel to it. This vegan leather, though, doesn't feel too bad. I want to see long-term how this lasts. Again, I don't know how long this is going to last long-term, if it's going to get scratched and beat up, how durable it is, but it has some really good precise cutouts for the speaker grill right here, which is a little bit redesigned when compared to its predecessor. But overall, here it is, the black vegan leather case with the marble gray Galaxy S24. I like it. I like it, but maybe for the price, you can find a better option out there. Samsung Galaxy S24, though, in and of itself, I love this phone. Like, I picked up this phone as well as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I'm more excited of using this phone than the Ultra. And I've used the Ultra since the S22, so that's my third iteration. And I've used the S21, but I didn't review or use the S22 or 23. And coming back to the 24, I really appreciate how compact this form factor, this size is. I truly do like it. You're getting like 80% of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in this form factor. So I'm definitely going to be testing it out much further, but if you are looking for 80% of the S24 Ultra in a compact form factor and you just don't want to pay $1,300, this is that phone to go with. So there it is, vegan leather case. What are your thoughts? Let me know. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Just a quick kind of showcase of how this case looks, especially with the marble gray color. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.